As the drought continues to loom in southern Nevada, it's more important than ever to guard against water waste. We can all help to reduce water waste by reporting it when we see it. SNWA member agencies are also on the lookout to ensure water is used wisely. As a water waste investigator for the Las Vegas Valley Water District, Perry Kay begins each shift by responding to and investigating reported water waste. Most water waste is caused by inefficient or improper landscape irrigation, and often customers are unaware they're wasting water. With a little extra observation, there's no telling how much of the valley's most precious natural resource is saved. Getting a handle on water waste is vital to sustaining our desert community through the drought. While ordinances vary slightly by jurisdiction, water waste is broadly defined as water that flows or sprays off of your property. Common violations that may result in a water waste fee are watering outside of assigned watering days and violating time of day restrictions. Watering between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. from May 1st to September 1st is prohibited.
Watering between 11 and 7 causes a lot of evaporation because it is the hottest time of day. Usually the winds are picking up at that point in time. We recommend that you water early mornings, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, so that it gets a chance to soak into the ground.
Water waste investigators document the waste they find and then notify customers. Most water wasters aren't aware there is a problem and fix it quickly. If you have a break or malfunction in your system that's spotted by water waste investigators, you'll generally be given 48 hours to resolve the issue.
Typically, water customers have 14 days to fix or repair an issue. 14 days would go for day-of-the-week violations, spray and flow, where water's coming off the property, or time-of-day violations. If they have a malfunction, broken sprinkler, or an irrigation system leak, they typically have 48 hours. We will make every effort that we can to knock on the door, point out the problems, and give them some tips on how to fix those problems.
Runoff and overspray are common water waste issues, especially with sprinklers. It might be tempting to water longer in the summer, but this can cause water to spray or flow off of your property, and that's considered water waste. One way to eliminate runoff and overspray is to remove problem lawn areas. Consider replacing grass on sloped, narrow, or curved areas with plants watered by drip systems. Here are a few more tips to guard against water waste. Water only on your assigned watering days. Check your irrigation system weekly and repair or replace broken sprinklers and drip heads. Adjust misaligned sprinkler heads. Look for leaks in your landscape. They'll show up as wet spots in your lawn. If water is bubbling to the surface, you may need to consult a professional. Use the cycle and soak method when watering grass.
The cycle and soak method is watering 4 minutes 3 times a day as our suggestion. And what that does is allows the water to soak into the ground and also prevents a lot of the runoff.
While investigators may often find water waste during normal patrols, most investigations start with a call to the SNWA's Conservation Helpline or directly to the water provider. Changing customers' water waste practices, not penalizing them, is the ultimate goal, and no one is exempt from investigation. The Water District investigates water waste at homes, apartments, businesses, civic buildings, and even schools. The SNWA's helpline staff, who take water waste calls, log a report, then route it to the appropriate water provider. Investigators look out for other types of water waste as well, such as fountains or mist systems running against drought regulations. The Las Vegas Valley Water District has seen a sharp decrease in the amount of water waste due to effective programs like the SNWA's Landscapes Rebate Program and water waste enforcement. The goal is to educate the community about water use and conservation. To report water waste anywhere in the valley, call 702-258-SAVE or visit snwa.com. While you're there, find more conservation tips to help our community preserve its most precious natural resource. Reporting for Waterways, I'm Jason Gifford.